AI isn't just the future, it's happening right now. And guess what? You can either watch it happen or you can own it. Entrepreneurs everywhere are making serious money by selling AI business services to small businesses that are desperate for AI solutions. And here's the kicker. You don't need to be a tech genius to do this. You just need the right game plan. So stick with me because in this video, I'll break down exactly how you can start cashing in with AI employees. And at the end, I'll hook you up with my free AI employee playbook to help you hit the ground running. Small businesses are drowning in tasks, missed calls, overwhelmed staff, and manual work that's eating up their time. But AI employees, they step in and do it all. They answer calls, book appointments, follow up with customers without needing a break or a paycheck. Businesses are actively looking for these solutions right now, and the demand is through the roof. So, are you ready to ride the AI wave? If you want to cash in, you need to focus on what's hot. Let's break it down into 3 AI services that businesses are already paying for. First is AI Receptionists. These are your silent money makers. These AIs answer calls, book appointments, and they never call in sick. Small businesses love them because they save hours every single week. Next, we've got AI chatbots. These are your 24/7 hustlers. Chatbots handle customer questions instantly, driving sales and support like a machine, because they are a machine. And finally, we've got AI automation systems. These are your ultimate time savers. These AIs, they take care of follow-ups, reminders, and more, so businesses can focus on growth instead of drowning in tasks. And here's the beauty of it all. These systems are already built. You just need to plug them in and start selling. Now, you might be thinking, but I'm not an AI expert. Well, here's the spoiler alert. You don't have to be. You just need the right system to position yourself as the AI go-to person for small businesses in your community. Let me show you how. The first step is to find businesses that need AI. Now, here's a hint. That's basically all of them. Step 2, use pre-made AI templates that are ready to roll. And step 3, show them a quick demo and let AI sell itself. It's that simple. Now, I've put together a free step-by-step playbook that shows you exactly how to sell AI employees and start earning right now. From setup to closing your first sale, it's all inside. And don't take my word for it. Hundreds of entrepreneurs have already started using it and are seeing results. The AI revolution is now, and small businesses are already making moves. The only question is, are you? Drop employee in the comments and get the training and tools you need to start selling AI employees today. Let's make 2025 your biggest year yet. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.